Hi guys! So, may napuntahan akong car show and bike fest na may mga entry na may ganitong finish sa mga tires nila. So, nung namili ko ng gamit sa National Bookstore, I found this tool. It's a correction pen called Rewrite. So, it's around 24 pesos. Right there, 24 pesos. So, if you are living outside of the Philippines, it may cost you around $1 or something. You can purchase it in your nearest bookstore or stationery shop, something like that. So, alam ko namang meron na bibiling tire pen, pero medyo mahirap maghanap. So for me, I will try this one first. Okay. So I tried it sa Aerox ko. So may ibang tires na naka-elevate yung branding dito. So for this one, since this is yung stock tires ng Aerox, which is IRC, ang kinagandahan nito for this kind of correction pen kasi naka-elevate yung sides ng letters. So pag nilagyan mo siya ng correction pen, hindi siya kakalat outside of the letter. Makukulong lang siya sa loob. Right? So I'll be doing a short demo on how to do this. So ano nga bang kailangan natin? So syempre kailangan natin ng basahan, and again, this to rewrite. Okay? So, first of all, linisin natin to para medyo tumagal yung buhay ng color. Okay. So, hindi wet yung ginamit ko para pwede natin gamitin agad. So, for this one, shake muna. Right. So, after shaking, you have to press a bit, then squeeze. See that? Kailangan lang medyo nakataas para bumaba. Diba? Nagkaroon ng lampas pero manageable na yun. Madali lang mamaya ayusin. So, yan yung sample natin. Okay, let me try and finish this first. So, ayun yung finished product natin. As you can see, medyo kumalat, pero I try to clean it up. Pero pwede na siya, di ba? Maganda natin yan. So, gawin nyo lang siya sa lahat ng parts ng gulong nyo and it'll be good. So for now, di ko alam kung gaano siya katagal, and I'm sure hindi to waterproof. So since summer ngayon, nasa March tayo, so we won't be expecting much sa rain. Alright, so try this, practice lang, then mapaperfect nyo din yan in time. Alright, so this is me again, Tatan Santiago. Again, this is the product, Rewrite correction pen, just 24 pesos. Right? So try this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and just try it. Okay? Then bigyan niyo ako ng feedback kung anong nangyari sa project niyo, or kung meron kayong mas magandang idea, share it with us. Alright? So again, Tatan Santiago, have a good one. Bye-bye.